Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and COSAM Manipur. Unit 6 Probability. Topic Probability. Exercise Miscellaneous examples on chapter 13. Miscellaneous examples on chapter 13. Question number 1. A and B are two events such that P of A does not equal to 0. Find P of B by A if A is a subset of B. 2. A intersection B is pi. Here P of A does not equal to 0. Here Roman number 1. Here A is a subset of B. It is given. Therefore A intersection B will be A. Therefore, P of B by A is P of A intersection B by P of A. Their respective values A intersection B is equal to A. P of A divided by P of A is 1, as P of A does not equal to 0. For Roman number 2, A intersection B is pi. Therefore, P of A intersection B is 0. Therefore, P of B by A is equal to P of A by B divided by P of A. 0 divided by P of A is 0. For question number 2, a couple has two children. Find the probability that both children are males if it is known that at least one of the children is male. Roman number 2. Find the probability that both children are females if it is known that the elder sign is a female. A couple has two children. Atai manau amagi angang ani lay. Find the probability that both the children are males if it is known that at least one of the children is a man. Angang anidugi manungda yamdrabada amadi nupani haibasi khangle. Angang animak nupa oigani haibagi probability puto. We have S sample space to yaugadabadi man female man FF hariba outcome mari asigi manungda ama hekta chumba yai. For Roman number 1, let A denotes event that at least one children is man and B denotes the event that both children are males. A na ang yamdrabada angang ama nupa oy haibadugi event to A na khangnarasi angang animak nupa oigani haibagi event to na B na khangnarasi. Then A consists of sample space to yauba outcome mari asigi manungdagi A da yaugadabadi nupa yamdrabada nupa ama oiba hairagadi main M yauba makhaiduni MM MF FM aduga B haibasina angang animak nupa oigani haibadudi S da yauriba outcome mari sigi manungdagi double M asi oigani. Therefore A intersection B A amasu B da yauba common outcome di MM ore. Therefore P of B by any koina puthokadoribasi which is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. P of A intersection B d 1 by 4 ni, P of A d 3 by 4 ni, we get 1 by 3 which is the required probability. For Roman number 2, find the probability that both children are females if it is known that the elder sign is a female. Angang ahandu nupi ni haibasimadi khangle angang animak nupi oiramgani haibagi probability putu. Roman number 2, let A denotes the event that both are females and B denotes the event that elder sign is a female. Then A consists of angang animak female oibadi S to yauriba outcome mari sigi manungdagi double F si oigani. B haibasina angang ahandu nupi oi haibadugi ibeni aduri F na hobadadi FF ni. A intersection B di clearly FF yaubasi oirani. Therefore koina puthokadaba probability aduri P of A by B ni, which is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B, whose values are intersection D 1 by 4 aduga P of B D 2 by 4 kakhanarabadi 1 by 2. Question number 3. Suppose that 5% of men and 0.25% of women have gray hair. Hariba percentage sing asi nupana 5% gray hair pok hawi aduga nupina 0.25% gray hair lay. A gray hair person is selected at random. Gray hair leba person ama at random likhale. What is the probability of this person being male? Hariba mi ado nupa oirangani haibagi probability kayano. Assume that there are equal number of males and females. Group aduda nupa amasu nupi chap manai masing manai haina lawrasi. Let ICE1 and ICE2 be the events of selecting a man and a female. Let E be the event that the person selected is gray hair. Then P of ICE1 nupa amasu nupi group aduda masing chap manana lay haina lawrabanina. P of ICE1, P of ICE2 khudingmak half orani as number of males and females are equal. P of E by ICE1. P of E by ICE1 the 5% ni 5 by 100. P of E by ICE2 the 0.25 by 100 ni. By Bayes theorem, the required probability is P of ICE1 by E, which is equal to P of ICE1 into P of E by ICE1 whole divided by P of ICE1 into P of E by ICE1 plus P of ICE2 into P of E by ICE2. Respective values sing adu mathakta P kibasi sinjalasi when evaluate tawrabadi 20 by 21, which is the required probability. Question number 4. Suppose that 90% of people are right-handed. Mi samagi manungda marfu taradi yet na hainaba mini haina lawrasi. What is the probability that at most 6 of a random sample of 10 people are right-handed? Randomly mi tara laukhatpada yamabada mi tarukti right-handed oigani haibagi probability puthu'u. Here P is 90 by 100, which is 9 by 10. Hence Q is also 1 by 10, N equal to 10. We have P of X equal to R is 10 CR into the value of P, that is 9 by 10, whose power is R, into the value of Q is 1 by 10, whose power is 10 minus R. Therefore, required probability is P of X less than or equal to 6. That is P of X equal to 0 plus P of X equal to 1 plus up to P of X equal to 6. P of X equal to 0, which is equal to 1 minus P of X equal to 7 plus P of X equal to 8 plus P of X equal to 9 plus P of X equal to 10. The values of P of X equal to 7 is obtained from above by putting R equal to 7, we get this. By putting R equal to 8 in this expression, we get this. By putting R equal to 9, we get this. By putting R equal to 10, we get this. Which is again equal to 1 minus using summation. Summation top 10 CR into 9 by 10 can be written as 0.9, whose power is R, into 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1, whose power is 10 minus R. R starting from 7 to 10. When R is 7, it becomes this. When R is 8, it becomes this. When R is 9, it becomes this. When R is 10, it becomes this. For question number 5, an urn contains 25 balls, of which 10 balls bear a mark X and the remaining 15 bear a mark Y. Part amada ball kun manga yawi tarana X mark haina thai, 15 amana Y mark haina thai. A ball is drawn at random from the urn. Its mark is noted down and it is replaced. Ball amakak part adu dagi randomly laukhatli machu mark adu khangjile anu hanna mafam adu da thangkre. If 6 balls are drawn in this way, find the probability that all will bear X mark. Ball taruk laukhatpada X mark thaba loinamak oigani haibagi probability putu. Roman number 2. Not more than 2 will bear Y mark. Y mark thaba ball asi anidagi heloi haibagi probability putu. At least one ball will bear Y mark. y mark thaba ball si yamdrabada amma yaugani haibagi probability putu. Roman number 4. The number of balls with X mark and Y mark will be equal. Ball taruk laukat pada X thaba ball ga X mark thaba ball masinga Y mark thaba ball masinga managani haibagi probability putu. Here P is 10 by 25 whose value is 2 by 5, Q is 3 by 5 and N is 6. By using binomial definition or binomial distribution, we get P of R success is equal to 6CR into 3 by 5 whose power is 6 minus R into 2 by 5 whose power is R. R can take 0, 1 up to 6. Roman number 1. All will bear X mark. Ball coding mark X mark thaba hoigani haibagi probability we give the required probability is P of X equal to 6, which is obtained when R is 6. Put R equal to 6 in the right side, we get this. Simplify, we get 2 by 5 whole power to the power 6. For Roman number 2, not more than 2 will bear Y mark. Y mark thaba ball asi anidagi heloi haiba. Anidagi heloi hairagadi. For this probability that not more than 2 will bear Y mark. Y mark thaba ball si 0, 1, 2 hariba cases asi oigani haibadi. Probability that not less than 4 balls will bear X. X mark thaba ball si maridagi taroi haiba. Probability that not less than 4 balls will bear X. X mark thaba ball si mari dagi taroi hari mari bhau 18. Y mark thaba ball duna ani oirabadi X mark thaba ball du mari ni. Y mark thaba ball duna ama oirabadi X mark thaba ball masing manga ni. Y mark thaba ball duna 0 oirabadi X mark thaba ball si taruk ni. Adu oirabadi अखोना 4 not less than 4 हाइबदी x mark थाबा बोल्डू मरी यामद्रबदा मरी not less than 4 हाइबदी यामद्रबदा मरी थाबा मंगा थाबा तरुक थाबा अहुम दु कोवर तवी हमतक की एक्सप्रेशन सिगा मखा के एक्सप्रेशन सिगा चप माने. That is P of x greater than equal to 4 ni, whose value is P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 5 plus P of x equal to 6. मथकी R की value अदु 4 पिछलेगा first term से फंगे, R की value 5 पिछलेगा second term फंगे, R की value 6 पिछलेगा third term से फंगे. हारिबा सिंग असि 2 by 5 टी तांग खुदिंग मक्ते यावे. हारिबा सिगी power क्वाइडिक पिकपा 4 5 6 क्वाइडिक पिकपा power 4 से लोगथोखरबदी 2 by 5 power 4 से ताम अहुम दगी लोगथोखरबदी. We get this. Simplify तौरगा 7 times of 2 by 5 to the power 4 फंगे मसीना पुथोकदबा probability aduni. For Roman number 3, probability that at least one ball will bear Y mark. Y mark thaba ball si yamdrabada ama haibani. Y mark thaba ball si yamdrabada ama phangani haibagi probability haibasidi. Probability that at most 5 balls will bear X mark. Probability that at most 5 balls will bear X mark. X mark thaba balls yamabada manga haibani. Yamabada manga. Yengsi Y mark thaba ball duna ama oirabadi X mark thaba ball du manga ni ball taruk lakot kadabani. Y mark thaba ball duna ani oirabadi X mark thaba ball du mari ni. Y mark thaba ball duna ahum oirabadi X mark thaba ball du ahum ni. Y mark thaba ball duna mari oirabadi X mark thaba ball du ani ni. Y mark thaba ball duna manga oirabadi X mark thaba ball du amani. Y mark thaba ball duna taruk oirabadi X mark thaba ball du 0 ni. Masina karita probability that at most 5 balls will bear X mark. Yamabada ball manga X mark thagani haibani. Adudi makage number single leire. Shigi meaning P of X less than or equal to 5 haibani. Whose value is complementary palagadi 1 minus P of X equal to 6 ne. X equal to 6 we have already found it is 2 by 5 power 6 ka managre. Asina require probability ni. For Roman number 4, P of X equal to 3. X mark thaba bol taruk tigi manung da ahum yaugani haibasidi r gi value da 6 3 pisilaga phangiba value asini simplify tawrabadi 864 by 3125 asi phange masina require probability adoni. For question number 6, in a hurdle race, a player has to cross 10 hurdles. Hurdle race amada player amana sanaroi amana 10 hurdles cross tawgadabani. The probability that he will clear his hurdle is 5 by 6. Player aduna hurdle kudimak lantokpa ngambagi chance asi 5 by 6 ni. What is the probability that he will knock down fewer than 2 hurdles? Mahakna 2 hurdle dagi taba masingdo clear tawbo ngamoi haibagi probability kayano. Here Q is 5 by 6. Clear tawboduna failure ni haina khalasi aduga knock down adubuna koina P gi probability of success ni haina lawrani mafam asu 1 by 6 haina lawri n di 10 lerani. By binomial theorem, we have R success. Probability of R success is 10C R into Q give power the 5 by 6 whose power is 10 minus R into P give value the 1 by 6 whose power is R. R can take 0, 1 to up to 10. Require probability the P of X less than 2 haibani. Probability haibadi harden do ani dagi taba knock down ohingani have clear tobunga moi haibani. Which is equal to P of X equal to 0, P plus P of X equal to 1. Haribasing sida R 0, 1 pisilaga first term pire, R the mataki sida R 1 pisilaga second term pangi. Simplify taurasi, we get 5 to the power 10 by 2 into 6 power 9 pangi. Masina putokadaba probability adoni. For question number 7, a die is thrown again and again until 3 successes are obtained. Ludo ama hanjal 6 ahum phangriba phawo hulli. Find the probability of obtaining the third 6 in the 6th throw of the die. Duldu adugi taruk ahum suba taruk phangba adu taruk suba throw the oigani haibagi probability putu haibani. Here P have a CD probability of getting a 61 by 6 ni. Probability of failure not getting a 65 by 6 ni. And N is 5 binomial theorem palani. Also P of R success is 5CR into P give value 1 by 6 power R into 5 by 6 whose power is 5 minus R. R can take 0, 1 to up to 5. Therefore, probability of getting third 6 in the 6th throw. Taruk suba throw the ahum suba taruk phangani haibagi probability asidi. Probability of 2 success in the first 5 throws. Ahanba throw mangada 6 ani phangaba adugi probability into probability of getting a 6 in the 6th throw. Ahum suba 6 ado taruk suba throw the phangbagi probability ani ge product na pigani. Ahanba throw mangada 6 ani phangba haibase 5C2 mutually exclusive independent events silerani. Panodi 1 by 6 ani phangbadi 1 by 6 power 2 into 5 by 6 power cube into ahan taruk suba throw the 6 ama phangbadi 1 by 6 value singasi simplify tawrabadi we get 6 to 5 by 2 3 3 to I, which is the required probability. Question number 8. If a leap year is selected at random, what is the chance that it will contain 53 Tuesday? Leap year oiba sahi ama randomly khalasi maduda 53 Tuesday laigani haibagi probability kayano. There are 366 days in a leap year, so there are 52 weeks and 2 more days. Leap year oiba sahi ama da 366 days lay sayon 52 haibadi Tuesday 52 ama complete lady and 2 more days numit nini ama heli numit nini se karam na oibiyai. These 2 days may be Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday Monday hariba option singa sigi manungda ama oibiyai. So number of favorable cases haibadi Tuesday yauba outcome 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 asidagi Tuesday yauba option di anini Monday Tuesday haibamaga Tuesday Wednesday haibama anisi oragadi number of favorable cases is 2 ni and number of equally likely cases haibadi sample space the yauga do 8 ni. Thus, the required probability that it will contain 53 twisted is 2 by 7. For question number 9, an experiment succeeds twice as often as it fails. Karigumba experiment ama succeeds by twice as often as it fails. Find the probability that in the next 6 trials there will be at least 4 successes. Mathangi trial tarukta yamdrabada marirak mai pakani haibagi probability puto haibani. Here P is equal to twice Q haibani. Probability of success is failure ki 2 times ka manai. And n number of experiment is 6 ni. Therefore Q asi 1 minus P ga manai maramdi P plus Q na 1 tabanina sidagi aikoi P gi solve tausi P gi value 2 by 3 phange 2 by 3 orabadi Q gi value di 1 minus P ni, that gives 1 by 3. We have probability of our success is 6CR, probability P is 2 by 3 whose power is R into Q whose value is 1 by 3 whose power is 6 minus R. R can take from 0 to 6. And probability of x greater than equal to 4. Mathangi next 6 trial the yamdraba the 4 successes haibani. X to 4 success, 5 success, 6 success obi madubu x greater than equal to or equal to 4, which is equal to P of x equal to 4 plus P of x equal to 5 plus P of x equal to 6. Respective values sing pisalasi mathaki R success R da 4 pisalagasi phange, R da 5 pisalagasi phangani, R da 6 pisalabasi phangani. Term sing asidagi common factor 2 by 3 power 4 logthokrabadi we get 31 by 9 times of 2 by 3 power 4, which is the required probability. 10. How many times must a man toss a fair coin so that the probability of having at least one head is more than 90%? Mi amana fair coin ama kayarak hulabade yamdrabada head ama phangbagi probability asi 90% dagi hengani. Yamdrabada mi amana karigumba coil ama kayarak hulabadi yamdrabada head ama phangbagi probability asi 90% dagi chaubadagi. Let the coil be tossed n times coil adu n times log toss taurasi. Let x be the number of heads phangiba head masing aduna x ni haina laurasi. Then x has the binomial distribution with number of trials Bernoulli trials the n adum oirani. P. Probability of getting a head is half. Also probability of getting a tail is half. By question, probability of at least one head yamdrabada head ama phambagi probability should be greater than 9 by 10. And probability of getting at least one head haibasidi P of x greater than equal to 1 haibani. P of x greater than equal to 1 haibasi 1 dagi probability of x equal to 0. No head. Head amata phangdabagi probability 1 dagi head amata phangdabagi probability se khaidokhrabadi head amata phangdabagi case haibadi tail ngata phangbagi case se khaidokhrabadi yamdrabadi head ama phangba oire. Adudi x equal to P of x equal to 0 haibasi 1 less than 1 minus 9 by 10. P of x equal to 0 the probability of 0 success ni the nc not into half to the power 0 into half to the power n minus 0 less than 1 minus 9 by 10 1 by 10 ga manare nc no cho 1 half power 0 cho 1 half power n should be less than 10 lari n da karamba khwaidagi pikpa power karabadi 1 by 10 dagi hantagani haragadi half square di 1 by 4 ni half cube di 1 by 8 ni half power 41 by 16 ni and half power 51 by 32 ni adudi 4 n 4 amasu mangonda gi chaukhatpa number sing orabadi inequality achichume implies n should be greater than equal to 4 aduni nipa aduni yamdrabada mahak se trial do mari raktagi tadana taurabadi mahak ki 90% yamdrabada head ama phambagi probability se 90% dagi hengani. Question number 11. In a game, a man wins a rupee for a 6 and loses a rupee for any other number when a fair die is thrown. Ludo maru ama hunbada 6 phangba amagi lupa ama mai phange 6 nataba ama phangmagina lupa ama mange. The man decided to throw a die thrice, but to quite ace, and when he gets a 6, nipa amana die ama ahumlak hunnanaba leplami, but to quite ace, and when he gets a 6 ama phangma matamda mahak to pahaina. Find the expected value of the amount he wins or loses. Mahakna mangba natraga mai pakpa natraga mangbagi amount gi value adugi expected value putu. P. Getting a 6 in a throw of dice. Die is ama hunbada 6 ama phambagi probability si 1 by 6 ni. Probability of not getting a 6 in a throw of dice. Die ama hunbada 6 natab ama phambagi di 5 by 6 ni. Probability of getting a 6 in the first throw, ahanba throw the 6 ama phambagi probability 1 by 6. Probability of getting a 6 in second throw the 6 ama phangba hairagadi ahanba throw the 6 nataba ama phangba, that is 5 by 6 into anisuba throw the 6 phangba madugi probability 1 by 6 purinarabadi 5 by 36. Probability of getting a 6 in the third throw, ahum suba throw the 6 ama phangbagi taran sidi ahanba throw anida 6 nataba amamam phangani 5 by 6 into 5 by 6. Ahum suba throw the 6 ama phangbagi 1 by 6. Their product is 25 by 216. When he gets a 6 in the first throw, ahanba throw the 6 phangabadi, he will receive rupees 1 lupa ama phangani. When he gets a 6 in the second throw, he will receive rupees ani suba throw the 6 ihan hana phangba oirabadi ahan ba 6 nataba ama phambagi lupa ama minus 1 na represent torani. Ani suba throw the mahak na 6 ama phambagi lupa ama phangi madu plus 1 na kangnarani. Sum up torabadi rupees 0. Ani suba throw the mahak ihan hana 6 phangba oirabadi mahak rupees 0 ni mahak mang sumangre tongsu tongre. When he gets a 6 in the third throw, ihan hana 6 pangbado ahum suba throw the oirabadi, he would receive rupees ahan ba throw the 6 nataba ama pangbagi lupa minus 1, ani suba throw the 6 nataba ama pangbagi minus 1. Loss the minus na represent ogani, will or gain the plus 1 na represent ogani. Ahum suba throw the 6 ama pangbagi plus 1. Sum up we get rupees minus 1. ahum suba throw the ihan hana 6 pangbagi probability asida mahangna phangado paisa se minus 1 mahak lupa ama mangi haibani. Therefore, expected value of the amount we have already learned that x1 p1 plus x2 p2 plus x3 p3 ni. Mafam asida x1 haibase ahan ba throw the 6 pangbadi sin x oirani sin x1. x2 ki value de 5 by 36, x3 ki value de 25 by 16. Respective probabilities sing adudi 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1. Formula of palabadi we get rupees 11 by 216. Mahak ki expected value si rupees 11 by 216 have amount si mark phanganin expect over. Question number 12. Suppose we have 4 boxes A, B, C and D containing color marbles as given below. Aikoi the box mari lay A, B, C, D haina. Makoi sing asidi yaugdaba marble sing du machu ahum red, white, black. Aduga box A da red ama white taru black ahum. Box B da red taru white ani black ani. Asumna box C da red marble si 8 aduga white marble si ama black marble si ama yawi. Box D da red marble si 0 white marble 6 black marble si mari ni table sina ta ibasi. One of the boxes has been selected at random and a single marble is drawn from it. If the marble is red, what is the probability that it was drawn from box A, box B, box C? Ama khaktang kholaga atai singdudi similarly haraga yarani. Let us solve. This is also similar to question number 2 of 13.3. Question number 13. Assume that the chances of a patient having a heart attack is 40%. Heart patient ama karigumba patient ama heart attack togani haibagi probability si 40% ni haina lowrasi. It is also assumed that a meditation and yoga course reduce the risk of the heart attack by 30%. Yoga amasu meditation haiba exercise asina heart attack ki risk asi 30% reduced to hantali hainasu lowrasi, and the prescription of certain drug reduces its chances by 25%. Hidak drug sizinabadagisu heart attack risk 25% reduce towe hainasu lawrasi. At a time, a patient can choose any one of the two options with equal probabilities. Karigumba matamda anaba amana option anisi equal chance with equal probabilities. Equal probability level ama khale haina lawrasi. It is given that after going through one of the two options, the patient selected at random suffers a heart attack. Asiguma option sing silawraba ama khalaba matungda anabado heart attack tawraga heart attack tawre. Find the probability that the patient followed a course of meditation and yoga. Meditation amasung yoga do khanba anaba oirangani haibagi probability puto. Let ICE1 and ICE2 be the events that the treatment by meditation and yoga and treatment by prescription of certain drug respectively. ICE1 asina meditation and yoga haiba option asina layingbagi event to khangnarasi aduga certain drugs treatment by prescription of certain drugs to ICE2 na khangnarasi. Let A be the event that a person has a heart attack. Person ama heart attack oy haibagi event aduna ena khangnarasi. Then P of ICE1 P of ICE2 equal to half. Makoi di meditation animak equal chance later hairabanina P of ICE1 so P of ICE2 so half loina oirani. In spite of getting yoga and meditation treatment, heart risk is 70% of 0.40. Yoga amasung meditation pangthoklabuso heart ki risk lay is 70% of 0.40. Oigani ma ki 40% dugi amuksu 70% oi haina piramlabanina. Therefore, P of A by ICE1 is 40% of 70%, that is an inch 28%. And similarly, P of A by ICE2 drug sizinabadagi lakpa mahaki kanosi probability P of heart attack C 40% of 75% of 100, which is 30 by 100. Therefore, required probability is P of ICE1 by A. Id course to meditation amasung yoga toba patient amana heart attack obagi probability da by base terana sipirani respective value sing do pisilaba matungda simplify toraga we get 14 by 29, which is the required probability. For question number 14, if each element of a second order determinant is either 0 or 1, what is the probability that the value of the determinant is positive? If each element of a second order determinant is either 0 or 1, what is the probability that the value of the determinant is positive? Second order determinant amagi element khudingmak se either 0 or 1 digit anisina fill up tawraga second order determinant semasi adugumba the value of the determinant is positive. What is the probability that the value of the determinant is positive? Aduna same element anisina digit anisina semba second order determinant pumna maktugi manungdagi positive oiba determinant value positive taba oigini haibagi probability kaya no. Assume that the individual entries of the determinant are chosen independently, its value being assumed with probability 1 by 2. A second order determinant has 4 entries which may be 0 or 1. So total number of determinants we have to make, that is 2 power 4. Each entry can enter either 0 or 1, which can be done in 2 ways. For 6 places, the 2 into 2 into 2 into that is 2 power 4, that is 16. We can make 16 determinants. Out of these 16 determinants, there are only 3 determinants whose value is positive. Determinant tara taruksigi manung dagi determinant value positive oibasidi determinant ahum khaktang laigani. Therefore, required probability the positive value oigani haibagi chance to the 3 by 16. What are the determinants 1 0 0 1? Sigi determinant value 1 minus 0 the 1 positive. Sigi determinant value so 1 minus 0 the 1 positive way. 1 is 1 minus 0 the 1 way. Positive taba determinant second order determinant do ahum sini. Then 3 by 16 taribasi. Question number 15. An electronic assembly consists of two subsystems, say A and B. From previous testing procedures, the following probabilities are assumed to be known. P of A fails is 0.2, P of B fails alone is 0.15, P of A and B fail is 0.15. Evaluate the following probabilities. Number 1, P of A fails by B has failed. Ruma number 2, P of A fails alone. Mataki piriba quantity ahum asi asumna ithokle not P of A fails sabadi P of not A asumna ire. But P of B fails alone haibasidi P of B fails tagi P of A and B fails khaidokrani. P of B fails alone sigi value is 0.15 ni. P of B fails unknown ni. P of A and B fail haibasidi 0.15 ni. P of B fails se photo asi value 0.30 phange. Si khangabadi Roma 4 Roma number 1. P of A fails by B fails the P of A fails intersection B fails by P of B fails. A ga B ga animak fails already value 0.15 ni. P of B fails matakta puthokibada ngari mahar ki value du 0.30 ni ka simplify tawrobadi 0.5 phange. For Ruma number 2, P of A fails alone the P of A fails minus P of A fails and B fails, whose values are 0.20 ni, sigidi 0.15 ni, khaidoknarabadi 0.05 pange. Masina putokadaba probability adone. Question number 16. Bag 1 contains 3 red and 4 black balls, and bag 2 contains 4 red and 5 black balls. One ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2, and then a ball is thrown from bag 2. The ball so drawn is found to be red in color. Find the probability that the transfer ball is black. Bag 1 da 3 red 4 black balls yawi. Bag 2 dana 4 red amasung 5 black balls yawi. Ball bag ani sigi manungdagi one ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. Bag 1 dagi ball ama bag 2 da transfer tawi. Then a ball is drawn from the bag 2. Bag 2 dagi transfer taruba matungda bag 2 dagi ball ama laukhale. The ball so drawn is found to be red in color. Ani suba bag dagi laukhatpa ball ama do red color oi na thengnare. Find the probability that the transfer ball is black. Ahanba bag ani suba bag transfer tawrkhibado black oigani haibagi probability puto. Let ICE1 and ICE2 be the events of drawing a red ball and a black ball from bag 1. Bag 1 dagi laukhatkiba ball adu black oi red oigani haibagi event aduna ICE1 na khangnarasi aduga black ama oigani haibagi event tuna ICE2 na khangnarasi. Let E be the event of drawing a red ball from the bag 2. Bag 2 dagi red ball ama laukhatpagi adu event aduna E na khangnarasi. Then P of ICE1 is what? P of ICE1 probability of drawing a red ball from the first bag. That is first bag the ball kaya yawi pula punna tarit yawi madugi manungda angang ba adu de ahumni adun P of ICE1 gi value is 3/7. Ani suba bag ta ani suba bag tagi ball ama laukhatpa haibani red ball ama black ball ama that is 5/9. This is what be a black ball ani suba bag tagi ahanba bag tagi black ball ama laukhatpadi 4/9. And P of E by H1 haibagi arthadi ahanba bag tagi ani suba bag ta red ball ama transfer tawkhraba matungda ani suba bag tagi ball ama laukhatpada angangba oigani haibagini. Red ama laukhalaga ani subada hapsinkrabadi ani subagi ball mapanduda ama hapsaladi tara lere. Angangba oina hapchilabadi hanagi angangba mariduda ama hapsalada angangba manga lere. Adudi angangba hapchilaba matungda hariba bag adumaktadagi ball ama laukhatpada angangba oigani haibadi 5/10 orani. This is probability of a red ball when a red ball is transferred from bag 1. Bag 1 dagi angangba ama bag 2 da transfer tawraba matungda red ball ama laukhatpagini 5/10, that is half. Similarly, P of E by I2 haibasidi ahanba begtagi anisuba begta black ball ama hapsinkraba matungda ball mapanda any masu ama hapsilakpada mapan ball map tara surani aduba angang black wana hapsilabani angang bagi masingdadi increase laitre black ta increase toro aikoina pami badi red ta increase tobra sini. That is probability of drawing a red ball from the second bag when a black ball is transferred from bag 1. That is 4 by 10. Kapthana rabadi 2 by 5 ready. Hariba value mari sil rabadi by Bayes theorem. By Bayes theorem we have P of drawing a ball transfer from bag 1 was black. Bag 1 dagi back to the transfer tarakiba ball adu black ni. Find the probability that the transfer ball is black. Transfer tarakiba ball to black oigani haibagi probability di P of E2 I2 by ina oire I2 by ina by Bayes theorem nadi siga expression siga manare value matakta putokiba si pichel asi simplify tawraga aikona 16 by 31 masina require probability adu oigan. Choose the correct answer in each of the following. If A and B are two events such that P of A does not equal to 0 and P of B by A is 1, then A is subset of B, B is subset of A, B equal to 5, A equal to 5. Which one is true? Here P of B by A is given as 1. By we get for this we have P of A intersection B by P of A equal to 1. But P of A intersection B is equal to P of A. This shows that A intersection B is A. Then A is subset of B. Correct option D A assist. Choose the correct answer in each of the following. 18. If P of A by B is greater than P of A, then which of the following is correct? P of A by B is less than P of B. P of A intersection B is less than P of A into P of B. C. The P of B by A is greater than P of B. P of B by A is equal to P of B. We are given P of A by B is greater than P of A. P of A by B is equal to P of A intersection by P of B greater than P of A. Cross multiply, we get this P of A intersection B is greater than P of A into P of B. P of A intersection B is P of A intersection B divided by P of A, we get this greater than this, which is equal to P of B by A greater than P of B. Siga chanabadudi correct option to C lady and the correct option di C ore. The question number 19. If A and B are any two events such that P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B equal to P of A, then P of B by A is 1, P of A by B is 1, P of B by A is 0, P of A by B is 0. Let us solve. P of A plus P of B equal to P of A intersection B equal to P of A. Both sides take P of A kathatkrabadi P of B is equal to P of A intersection B. P of A intersection B da P of B ni yalabadi we get 1, which is what P of A by B is 1. P of A by B is 1. Correct option to the B assist me. Extra questions. Thank you for watching video.